Hey guys, Craig, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to show you how to install a tailgate table. I got a new one from Super-E and I'm pretty excited about it. It should be pretty easy. The only bummer is I'll cover all my stickers, but you know, that's Jeep life. I'll put them on my my toolbox or something. But anyway, yeah, you do have to drill into the Jeep. I'll show you the tools that you need. It should be pretty straightforward. So yeah, let's check it out. This is the stuff that it came with. It do come with instructions. It's pretty straightforward. It came with the rivets. It came with some tools to use. It came with a template. I'll tape this in the back of my tailgate and then hole punch. You will need, besides those tools, a nut setter. And I bought this from Harbor Freight. I'll put a link. I did not have one. I was thinking I could just, I don't know, nail this into the back, but I see a lot of reviews saying don't do that. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. So I will use the proper tools. So hopefully it'll come out good, and let's get started. Alright, there you go. Cool little table from Super-E. Use these little tabs. Bring it down. There you go. Check it out. Links in description. Super-E. Like, subscribe. All that great stuff. Thanks guys. See you around. Guys that realized when I was putting my footage together, my GoPro stopped while I was in the middle of it. So I'm going to show you a part that was missed that I feel like is pretty important. It's the nut setter, and you need a tool to use it. But let me just show you real quick kind of what it's about. This is one, and that's two. So basically guys, you need this tool. This is a rivet nut, and you drill out the hole in the actual tailgate, big enough, but not too big. Big enough so this barely gets in. You open this up, screw that rivet nut on here while this is open, all the way, push it in, push it together, and then screw out the bottom. You actually unthread it from this, and it's that easy. I did make a reel of it, so I might just highlight just that reel part, but super easy guys.